Suppose you have 10,000 leads, 5,000 leads, then how you will manage them? It is not easy to get follow up or call again those 5,000 leads. Cold, warm or hot means you have to segregate your lead. If at the very first time you have to you have to make a segmentation for that, ki whether this lead is into cold, warm or hot. Cold means that person person or that customer is not of high interest, वो relevant नहीं है. Suppose you are offering trainings और उसको कुछ और चाहिए. Suppose you are offering personality development training और वो job चाहता है, तो that lead is not good for you. You cannot waste your time on that lead again and again. So at the very first you should segment it as a cold lead and you just उसको आप अपनी लिस्ट में रख दो और उसको सिर्फ आप फॉलो अप कैसे जो आपने अपना पेज बनाया है या कंटेंट मेल के थ्रू डाल रहे हैं उस लिस्ट में रखो. नेवर टेक फॉलो अप ऑफ दैट लीड. ओके. Warm lead means those are interested to buy your product or those are relevant or resonate with your product, but they are still not convinced. They need some time. So you can segregate them as a warm lead, and in that case what you can do, you can mature that lead. And how you will mature? You can take weekly follow-ups over the call. You can arrange meetings with them. You can invite them in your sessions, events. You can share content with them. So one day, maybe in 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, they will definitely get converted. Make sense? At that point, maybe they are not ready to buy your product because there are some doubts or they need more clarity and they need to learn more about you or your product. But yeah, in sooner or later, definitely they will be converted. So what you can do, you can just segment them in a warm category and you can start having follow-ups and you can plan meetings with them. You can start sending emails and you can invite them into your WhatsApp groups and your Facebook pages and YouTube channel. So by the time they will know about you, they will generate more trust on you, they will generate more close relationship with you, and one day definitely they will be converted. Okay. And that will happen only when you are able to segment them. Because if you have 5,000 leads and if you are not segmented, what you will do, you will आज इसको कॉल करोगे, फिर उसको कॉल करोगे, उससे फॉलो अप लोगे, उसके बारे में जानना चाहोगे, उसको बुलाओगे, एंड यू विल कि आप देखिए मे बी कि आप कोल्ड वालों को ही दोबारा बुला रहे हो, उनसे फॉलो अप ले रहे हो. यू आर वेस्टिंग योर टाइम अगेन एंड अगेन. सो दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके. एंड देन देयर इज ए हॉट category. Hot means those are highly interested. So if they are highly interested, only job you have to do is to just help them understand the value what you are giving. Then you have to मतलब आपको शो करना पड़ेगा ability to sell. वहाँ पे आपकी क्वेश्चनिंग जो हम आगे डिस्कस करेंगे अभी इसी सेशन में कि कैसे क्वेश्चंस आस्क करने हैं, रेपो बिल्डिंग, एंगेजमेंट एंड क्लोजिंग, वो काम आएगा. Okay, but this is the very beginning process. This is the filtration process. Once you will do this process with very good strategy and with ease, you will be able to get more conversions. Okay, understood?
Yes.
Any question on that? How can you segregate? You can prepare an Excel sheet for that. Whatever leads you are having, whatever people you are in conversation with or in contact with, you can put those into the Excel sheets. What is the process, name, how to qualify, okay, how to segment, and you just start putting your context on that. Okay, and start taking follow-up. You will definitely see bigger changes on that. So segmentation is very important in sales. Okay. After you have segmented your leads, after you got the leads, the very important part is lead qualification. So lead qualification means you have to qualify and you have to understand that whether that person is suitable for my business or not, whether I should invest my time and money on that or not. Okay, because you have a very limited time. So in very first few minutes or seconds or few seconds or few hours, you have to find out whether this lead is qualified or not. Otherwise, you are not. There is no need to put in more effort and time on that lead if that is not qualified. So how you will qualify your lead? Just simply by asking questions. Okay, whether you are relevant for my service or my product or not, how will I be able to understand that? Only when I can ask questions. Am I right? See, if anybody is, so I suppose you got a lead and you want to qualify that. Simply, if you can ask question, what are your goals? What do you like? What would you like to do in your life? तो वो आंसर करेगा. उस आंसर से you can relate कि whether he will be a best fit for this training or not, whether he or she will be able to do my training or not. Another one more thing, maybe they are able to do your training, but maybe they are not able to, not able or capable to pay at that time. So that is also a question for you. You have to ask questions to know about their buying capacity. Then only you can propose the kind of service. Suppose you have a training, one is of 2000, जिसका cost 2000 है, training cost, training fees, and one is for 50,000. So you can't waste your time on the person ना, कि भाई आपने सब कुछ समझा दिया, सब कुछ बता दिया, and at the end you find out कि he is not able to pay. So it is a waste of your time. I'm not saying कि waste, क्योंकि he will definitely be a prospect for you, but at that present time he is able to pay only 2,000 and you are proposing 50,000 product. That will not make sense to them. So you have to provide solutions. If they are not able to pay for 50,000, then you can give more solutions. So by asking questions you can qualify your lead. Only method of qualifying your lead is by asking questions. And just if you can prepare 5 to 6 questions for yourself now, you can do any sales. You can engage any person in your sales. Most of the sales people, what they do, they just dig on to start giving informations. You might have seen, अगर आपको कोई sales call आती है, they start giving the information about their product. That I am calling from there, this product is so much beautiful, this is so much helpful, please buy that product and all. Without knowing actually you want that product or not, they start giving information. ऐसा होता है? Okay, so is it clear? Lead qualification?
Yes.
So to qualify your lead, prepare your own strategy and questions that you have to qualify that lead. किसी इवेंट में आप गए हैं, उस इवेंट में आप कर रहे हैं, तो वहाँ पे कैसे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, सो दैट कि आपको पता चल जाए कि यहाँ पे कौन से लोग मेरे सेल्स प्रोसेस में कन्वर्ट हो सकते हैं, सो दैट यू कैन हैव अ सेपरेट स्ट्रैटेजी फॉर देम. So there are two kind of people, one who are highly interested, who want to buy, and then one who do not want to buy. So those who do not want to buy, those who are not interested, you can put them in a separated list, different list. There is no need to waste time on that. Then there is the people who want to buy, but they need to develop more trust. So for highly interested people and for the people who wanted to buy but they need to develop trust, you can have a separate strategy for them. एक ही कंटेंट आप दोनों के लिए यूज नहीं कर सकते.